everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to download Roblox on Android. So in order to download the Roblox application on your Android device, you need to follow these steps. But before you do it so, you have to make sure that your device is compatible and you also have enough storage. So now then, to begin with, you want to make sure to open up your Play Store, and on the search bar, you simply want to type in Roblox. So here it is. This is the one. Since I already have installed it, but instead of play, you could find this install button, which you want to click that out. And in some cases, you might not be able to find this install button or app unavailable, which means that the app is not available or it's not public in your region. And the other thing, if you're not able to see the app, that means your device is not compatible or you have some sort of issues. So what you want to do is, after completely installing, you could go ahead and open it and start playing or creating your account. So that is the simplest way you could download. And like I said, if you face any sort of issues while downloading, you might want to check your storage as well as your compatibility. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.